Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really handy organizer. Now, this is actually used for pretty much whatever you want, but I'm going to show you a couple different ways to use it. One is underneath my cabinet. I've always had my little dishwashing, tabs all lined up here, and normally I have my trash bags just right here, and it is such a pain to deal with. Now, this fixes it all. You actually have little handles on the bottom so you can easily move it. If you don't have the vertical space for it, you can sit it this way and you have an area here so you can, set different cleaners on it or do whatever you're wanting to on the top of there. And then you have a separate one for, in my case, I'm actually going to use my dishwasher pods, but you can put laundry pods or anything in there. And you just simply take this little part off and fill it up. Put the lid back on it. You can even set stuff on top there if you want to, but it's got so much versatility to it. So then I can easily take all of this, set my trash bags in here, then open this up, fill this up with my laundry pods. Now I see, hey, I probably need to go shopping because I don't have a whole lot left. So that part is really nice, makes it really easy to get to, and it just slides right on there. I can put my lid back on and then easily get out my little laundry tabs. I could even get it from the top, pull out trash bags with ease. I mean, this will hold up to about 100 different laundry pod size things. Got dishwasher pods, I'm sure it'd be about similar. And this will hold up to an 11-inch of trash bags. Now this is a big monster size one and they fit in there real easy. Slide it out. That works great. I love that it's all this acrylic and I can see my storage and how much I have left. But this creates a nice organization for really any room.